Hello everyone. This video will help you to understand how to evaluate a postfix expression. So this is also one of the applications of stack. I'm going to use stack to evaluate this postfix expression. Now look at this. This is what an postfix expression. Operands are here and operators are after the operand. So it is postfix expression. Now I'm going to get the finite result because I have a constant value. Now instead of operands, I'm just taking the constant value to evaluate to get the finite result. So we have here also three steps in the algorithm. The first step is what? As the way you are solving the previous algorithm, that is when you find an operand, you just add to the postfix expression I said in the last video, right? So this video is what? I mean the first step of the algorithm. The very first step of the algorithm is when you find a character, when you find a constant, push into the stack. Okay? When you find a character, when you find a constant, then push into the stack. So I find 5, push into the stack. 6, push into the stack. 2, push into the stack. After that you find a character. When you find a character, pop the first 2 elements and perform the calculation. So what are the first 2 elements in the top? So top of the stack is what? 2. So I wrote here 2. So it is what? My first popped element. It is what? My next popped element. So you can write first pop element, second pop element. In between, as it is a multiplication operator, you don't have any problem. But when we are dealing with the plus and minus, you may be having a problem in the calculation. That's what you have to be very clear, the order of the parameters, the order of the operands. So first popped element I am writing here. Second popped element I am writing here. So what operation I have to perform? Multiplication. 6 into 2, it is 12. And push the result into the stack. That means 12 and 5. Now again next operator is what? From the postfix, it is plus. So I wrote here plus. Now again pop the element. When you find an operator, pop the 2 elements. What are the 2 elements? 12 and 5. What you have to do with this to perform the operation? What operation I have to perform? Plus 12 plus 5. That means 5 is my second pop element, 12 is my first pop element. Okay, 5 plus 12 is 17. So the result of this is 17. So I'll just take this other example. The other example is what? 4325 star minus plus. So this is my other example. Now let's see how I'll evaluate this expression. First is what? It's a character. I mean it's a constant. Push into the stack. 3 constant, push to the next to the top. Next 2, 4, 3, 2. Next 4, 3, 2, 5. So these are what? Order of your characters or constants. Next is what? Asterisk. It's an operator. When you find operator, pop the first 2 elements and perform the operation. So now pop the first 2 elements I said. Now these are what? First 2. So 2 into 5. This is what? My first pop element. This is what? My second pop element. 2 into 5, the result is 10. Push into the stack. 10 is the result of these 2. So 10. Now after this, what is the operator? Minus. That means you have to operate 10 minus 3. Okay. Here see. What is the first operator? First operand you have to pop 10. 10 is my first pop element. Next pop element is what? 3. That's what you have to write. 3 minus 10. Now the result is what? Minus 7. Now push into the stack. It is minus 7. This is what? Minus 7. Now minus 7 operator is here plus 4. Fine. That means how you have to write? 4 plus minus 7. The result is minus 3. Push into the stack the result after you perform, which is minus 3. Now no operator you find after this plus. So this is the result. You just pop and print the result. 4325 star minus plus the result is minus 3. So this is the way how you have to evaluate the postfix expression. Most important for your internal and external examinations. Okay. Thank you.